Hello everybody. As you can see, I'm back in the camper. I've been trying to keep the battery charged. It was kind of, I don't know, about 70%. And I got this thing for my birthday, but my brother and I connected it. Sorry it's dark in here because I don't want to turn anything on. I'm scared. My brother and I connected it when both of the batteries were, I don't know if they're in parallel or sync, but one of the two. And it said charging, and then you know how the little like an orange or green light says charging, but then every time I would come back here, I don't know if you can see it, but it was a sad face. And so then we decided, he said, maybe it only works on like a car battery, like one battery at a time. So we disconnected the batteries and we only have it charging the one 6-volt battery. And it did the same thing again. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm unplugging it and turning this whole thing off. And I'm just going to keep the camper plugged in. I only have a 110 outlet, but I have the little dog bone, converter thing, because we're getting 24 degrees here next week. And I want to make sure the batteries are okay. So I'm going to unplug this and then I'll come back. Okay, I've disconnected the little terminals off of the batteries. Now I have to figure out how to connect these again. All right, I just texted my brother and I asked him if it mattered. And he said, not really, but do black second. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna insert a picture of what I took earlier so I would remember how to reconnect this stuff. So that's the best way to do that. And I kind of forget that, we can take pictures of stuff now and don't have to remember how to do it. Oh, that's the storage door. The wind's really picking up. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And I wish there was a way I could get more light in here, but I will in a second. I figured out I got some light. Okay, so I do the red, and you put the little nut thing, and then the washer. God, I don't know why this scares me. Shit. And then that, and then what is that, the nut? I don't know, shit. Oh, crap. Don't go down, don't go down, don't go down. Oh, it's stuck right there. Okay, I'm back. I got it unstuck with the fork. Vegetable peeler first, but the vegetable peeler wouldn't fit, so. Okay, go back to the picture, and then I gotta connect these two red things. I know this is so novice for a lot of y'all, but someone like me, it's scary. And I need to, be unscared. Okay, so I got that connected. Almost. And my brother makes fun of me, but, sorry, but he would be the same way if he was in a kitchen, right? He doesn't know stuff. Oh, I'm fresh out of knowledge about batteries because I haven't done this all my life. Okay, so I'll get those connected. Okay, I got my little tool here. Dang it. How do y'all do this? It just doesn't go on straight sometimes. Damn it. Do it with my hands. Okay, try again. Why isn't it making that little zzz, zzz, zzz noise? Oh, my brother, oh my God, okay. Get on there. Hey, this is just, there we go. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Ratchet. That was what's called ratchet? Okay, ratchet. Ratchet. Okay, ratchet this down. Sorry, this video is all over the place. There we go. Got this. I've got the black one. See, why doesn't it make that noise? It's not catching. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to always do that. There we go. Okay, that's tight. Okay, I think that's connected correctly. I'll look at the picture, make sure. Ugh. Snap these down with these little things. And I'm gonna plug it in and see what we get. Now that I have a light on there, there's the, see the little sad face? It says bad battery, or can they make these any smaller? And it's not, they're brand new batteries. Y'all remember when I bought these? I spent $700 on these batteries. They're not old or anything, so I don't know why that didn't charge. I have no idea. Anybody know anything about these? I'm gonna try it on my other car. I don't know. It just didn't work after a while. It's brand new out of the box. Still on the Victron app, it's showing the battery is 12.7. So I'm gonna turn this on and just let it charge electrically, because that's my best option, I think, during this cold weather. I'll try to keep it charged up. Okay, now I can turn some lights on. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna check the Victron app real quick. It should say 100%. Well, anyway, this should say 100% actually. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So hopefully that will charge that and get us through this cold. And I might put some of the pink stuff just in the drains. I know there's no water in the lines, but I'm just gonna double check everything before the cold. I don't think there's any water in it. And thank you for everybody, real quick, for all the comments. Some of you sent emails. You know, I have an email address down in the description along with my Amazon link. But thanks so much for the comments about Gemma. It was tough, and I'll talk more about it, but there's everything that's from the bed. But I guess I can talk about it now. I'm going to insert, I took Jupe to the park the other day. It was bitter. It was just hard. It's just hard. I had to let her go on the 9th, and it's just terrible. It's just terrible. It's the worst part about having a pet. It really is. And to have her get cancer at 7 years old was a shock, you know. So it'll just be Jupe and me camping for a while. And I'll show you the little video. We found a close park, and because he needed some exercise. And I know I'm not sure if he notices she's gone, but I think he does. I mean, obviously he notices she's gone, but you know, they were used to playing, and I think even when she was really getting weak, he would try to play with her, and she didn't want to play, so I think he knew something was going on. So anyway, thank you so much for all the messages. I really appreciate it, and here's some video of us at the park. It's our first trip to a dog park without Gemma. Bittersweet, but I'm glad that he's getting to run around. Okay, won't give the ball back, of course. You got to give it. Say we miss Gemma, we miss sister. This is Rue at the park. Hello, Rue. Of course, the only mud spot he was attempting to lay down. Don't you lay down that. No, no, no.